North Kingstown students received an extra day of summer vacation today when schools there did not open due to a labor dispute between the school committee and not the teachers, but the support staff union. Covering schools now, Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly is working the story. He joins us now live with the latest from the mobile newsroom. Sean?
Patrick, so much for a nice, smooth back-to-school routine here in North Kingstown. Striking workers forced the school system to shut down, but not before the buses already were rolling this morning. Picket signs outside schools in Rhode Island are as much a part of late summer as darkness setting in earlier. This year, the strikers are in North Kingstown, a group of about 150 people. Clerks, bus monitors, and cafeteria and maintenance workers. Contract negotiations broke down around 11 o'clock last night. The main sticking point, the school committee's decision to privatize janitorial services.
Around 10:30, they started to show that they were tired. By 10 to 11, they told us to vacate the building, that they were going home, and that they wanted to lock up the building.
I don't feel like we walked away. I felt like I could have stayed all night because I would really like to see a deal get done.
But
I think
each side is saying the other side walked away. Where does the truth lie?
I don't know what to tell you. I think we both kind of walked away at the same time, to tell you the truth.
North Kingstown superintendent of schools didn't order the system shut down until he saw picket signs this morning. By then, the buses already were rolling.
We were concerned about the kids last night, but obviously the superintendent and the school committee weren't, because they could have called us last night to close the schools, but no, they waited until kids were getting on the buses this morning.
If I call school last night, I know that their decision at that point would be to reverse the decision and not have a strike, and therefore they would never be in violation of any labor clause, and would continue to do that night after night.
The North Kingstown School Committee is now set to go to court at 2 o'clock to ask a judge to force the strikers to get back to work. We'll have the very latest starting on Eyewitness News live at 5. Live in North Kingstown with the South County Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.